I'm going to the beach today. Yay! Let's go to the beach, let's go get away. That's a little bit Nikki, the queen. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to see my aunt and she lives by the sea. I'm going with my nan and she's such a warrior. She's like, we're gonna miss the train, you need to make sure there's enough time. What if we miss that train? What if we miss that train? So basically, allowing 4 hours to get there. 4 whole hours, four, and it's a 2.5 hour journey. What? I feel like I have no clue what to bring because I don't know what we're doing once we're there. Like, it's actually freezing today, and so I don't think we're necessarily going to be actually swimming or on the beach. So I don't know what to bring, what to wear. I'll show you my outfit. But yeah, I'm confuzzled. This is what I'm wearing. The full fit is from Mania Devoir because I'm obsessed with their clothes. So yeah. Guys, I'm wearing sunglasses. I am a beach baddie at this point. Ooh, she a bad beach. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Because I'm going to the beach. We're leaving.
After getting a ride to the train station, me and my nan began our journey. We stayed with my aunt for less than 24 hours, so somebody please explain to me why this woman brought a whole suitcase. Apparently it was filled with apples. So, whilst my nan decided to bring her own snacks, I had plans to buy some during the journey.
Yeah, I'll buy food. I'll buy food when we're walking around.
Yeah.
What do you mean yuck?
You know how much sugar is in a bar of chocolate? Yes.
You eat chocolate?
I know.
Let me tell you something about travelling with my nan. Because she's like ultra religious, we had to pray before getting on each train that the driver would be okay, and we had to thank God after each train that we were safe. Also, we had to pray like the entire journey that we wouldn't miss our next train, as if I hadn't filtered in enough transition time between them. Honestly, we had enough time to like get food, sit down at Westfields and eat. Like, we were in no rush whatsoever. It was a long journey, and look, she fell asleep. How cute. Sheep. Honestly, if you don't say sheep when you pass some sheep, then there's something wrong with you. Like, mentally. Like, genuinely, there's a 34% chance that you're a psychopath. I don't make the rules, love. When we arrived, we were an hour early, so my aunt had to come get us and then go back to work. This is my aunt right here.
3 o'clock, I don't turn up an hour earlier.
The weather was really nice, so me and my nan headed down to the beach.
Let's go to the beach, each, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, think.
We're by the sea, we're by the beach. Okay. Isn't it so nice?
Yeah, it is nice, you know.
Do you ever be like taking rocks home from the beach, like finding the nice pretty ones and the ones that feel smooth and stuff and then taking them? Honestly, I don't know if that's just my family, but it's so entertaining. Just give me some rocks and I'm set for the day. I can just play with them all day.
With a candle in it.
I suppose I should have brought my swim stuff.
Yeah, although I don't. Well, because it was cold.
Yeah, it was miserable when we
yeah.
left, so. But yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna throw this rock really far, and if it gets in the sea, you owe me £1,000. Okay. Watch. You throw it. See if you can get both. Don't hit anyone though. About the same. We're stuck on the beach. We can't find the exit. Did you just fall over? We don't know how to get out of the beach. I want ice cream.
One eternity later.
We have ice cream. You're jealous of the bird swimming?
Yep.
Because you forgot to bring the swim stuff.
I have tights in my foot.
Oh yes, wearing tights.
I paid £1 to do this shooting game, and I don't know whether it was a scam or I was just doing something really wrong, because nothing happened. Once my aunt had finished work, she came down to join us and we walked down to the end of the pier together. The view was actually really pretty. Like, I didn't realise that the UK could look so nice. Like, since when was England pretty?
Feet are so dry. Don't take a picture of my feet.
Guys, I have not been on a beach in so long and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I sound like the McDonald's advert. I literally feel like I'm on holiday. Doesn't like the sun and the beach and sand and the ocean just make everything okay?
After a few hours at the beach, we headed over to my aunt's house for dinner and a movie.
Very random.
Yeah?
I'm counting the money so I can't hear you. What? Say I'm counting the money so I can't hear you.
It was fish and chips for dinner, but I had noodles because I don't like fish and chips.
Guys, I'm eating.
I look so good in the sun. You're having another one.
Making the fish and the chips.
Was it nice? I'm really tired. I'm going to bed now. Night night. Guess what? I don't use pillows. I'm not a pillow person. I prefer to sleep with my head like the same level as my body. So just on the bed. That's a fun fact for you all. I have a really sore throat. Like really sore. I really hope I haven't got corona. So many of my friends have had it. As soon as I get home, I'll take a test and I'll see. Pray for me, guys, pray for me. Ow. Auntie Aretha, the cat's there. Ah, still there. Oh my god.
Showering from the rain.
I am absolutely petrified of cats. They scare the life out of me. I hate them. I'm sorry, I hate them. So after a traumatic departure from the house, me and my aunt headed out in the rain to go to a little cafe to have breakfast.
Taking an action shot of the tea.
I got judged for ordering plain pancakes. We took the long way home so that we could look at all of the art along the beach.
I'm about to leave now. From the walk I got kind of wet because it was raining, so I've been sitting in this towel. I didn't get a chance to wear my sunglasses. I forgot.
After we'd spent a few hours chilling and chatting, we headed back home.
International. We are now approaching Hall.
What's this? It's peace.
It had been so lovely visiting my aunt's house and seeing where she lived for the first time, but I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of dead on the way back home. Like, I developed a cold and I was not in a good mood.
I'm currently eating rich teas and drinking a lemsip. I'm supposed to be racing tomorrow, but I don't know if that's going to be possible. I honestly don't feel good. Maybe after a good night's sleep I'll feel better, but I really don't feel good. That's good, I guess.